In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a music file to your Wix website. We'll be working directly inside the Wix editor, and the process is very simple once you know where to find the right tools. If you want to add background audio, a song, or any other sound file that visitors can play from your site, this method will help you do it quickly and cleanly. To begin, open your page in the Wix editor. Once you're in editing mode, look to the top left corner and click Add. This is where Wix keeps all the content elements you can place onto your page, including text, images, videos, and audio tools. After clicking Add, choose Elements. From there, look for the section related to video and music. Inside that category, you'll find audio players. This is the area you need because Wix uses audio player elements to let visitors play music directly on your website. Now browse through the available audio players and choose the one you'd like to use. You can pick the style that best fits the design of your site. Some players may look more minimal, while others may stand out more on the page. So choose the one that works best for your layout and overall branding. Once the audio player has been added to your page, click on it to bring up its options. At the top row of settings, select Replace Media. This is the option that allows you to connect your audio player to the music file you want to use. Next, click Use from Media. If you've already uploaded your music file before, you should see it in your media library. This makes the process even faster since you can simply select the file you want without uploading it again. If your music file is not already there, click Upload Media and upload it from your device. Wait for the upload to finish completely so Wix can process the file properly. Once it appears in your library, select it and then click Add Track. And that's it. Your audio player is now connected to your music file and ready to be used on your Wix website. Before publishing, it's a good idea to preview the page and test the player to make sure everything looks right and plays as expected. That way you can confirm the placement, appearance, and playback experience before your visitors see it live.